can't take this anymore. I miss your voice, I want you here. I miss your ghost. I'm lost all the time, I can't say more. I'm waiting for you to walk through the door. But you're gone and I mourn every day more and more. I'm waiting for you to walk through the door. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm not here anymore. Time goes on. Will your fate knock on my door? I've lost all hope and wanting more. I wish you could see I'm falling on the floor. Why do I feel so much more now? Why do I not see a cure now? Why can't I feel anything but fear and anger anymore? I'm lost again, but you can't help, so here I mourn. I'm lost again, but you can't help, so here I mourn. Here I mourn. I am torn when I am gone. I don't want to be remembered for what I've done wrong. I don't want you to hear the same sad song. I don't want to burden anyone. While I'm alive, I want to do life right. I want to be happy. I don't want to die. I'm trying to keep my head held high, but all I want to do is cry. I am not sane. I can't explain. I'm losing faith. I am not okay. I'm not sane. I cannot explain. Every breath I take, I've lost my